What's up, everybody? So today's video is about fractions and turning them into decimals and then turning decimals back into fractions. So look forward to teaching you about that. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So as you see here, we have two fractions. So how do you do this? So essentially a fraction means division, and so you're going to divide using this. So that line means division. So it's a fraction, 3 over 4 really means 3 divided by 4. So then you can do this as you normally do long division, but you'll end up with a decimal. So you're going to get a decimal, you have 30, 7, 28, 205. So as you can see, you just essentially divide this top number by the bottom number to figure out what your fraction is in a decimal. So then if you want to do it for 4/5, you do the same thing. You're going to have 4 on the inside divided by 5, and then this is going to be 0.8. So that's how you figure out how to solve a fraction into a decimal. You just divide this top number by this bottom number either by hand or on a calculator, and it will tell you what your decimal value is. Alright, so now we're going to figure out how to convert from a decimal into a fraction, which is the reverse of what we just did. So you're going to look at how many numbers there are past the decimal place, which tells you what spot they're in. So there's only one after the decimal place in this first one, which means it's in the tenths place. So then you're going to put it over 10. So what you're going to have is, since you have 7, you're going to put 7 over 10 since it's in the tenths place. But then in the case of 0.85, there's two numbers after the decimal, 1, 2. So it's not the tenths place, but it's the hundredths place. So then you're going to put this number, 85, over 100, which is your fraction, which then can be reduced down, so they're both divisible by 5, by 5. It's going to give you 17 over 20. So that's how you find fractions, by looking at these different places and putting those numbers over that place. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you now know how to convert from fractions into decimals by using division, or converting from decimals into fractions by putting them over the number of places they have. Thanks for watching.